Hello viewers, in this video I'll show how to fix Roblox upgrade error. When you open on your Roblox app, you can see this Roblox upgrade. Your version of Roblox is out of the date and will not work properly. Let's see how to solve this. Open on your Google Play Store. Search on Roblox. Search on Roblox app. Click on Roblox app. Tap on Roblox and update your Roblox app if available on your Play Store. Then tap on Roblox app. Tap this icon. Click on clear data. Then clear all data. Tap on OK. Press on power button. Then tap on your reboot. Just few seconds, tap on reboot.